KUMASI ABRANTE3, KUMASI ABRANTE3, Mina mi bano, mentu mata media gumi dini mi unazo.
It's a little bit hot here.
Hello. Hello. Anytime be a me paha, I catch them so KUMASI ABRANTE3 me skin no. I have with skin. Me bomb walker. And come and the family skin no. No board then say her. What was say? That is why I may offer the KUMASI ABRANTE3 to me. If you are British by enter, Mumbi is in a hand chain. I guess I am fine. What was it? Can there is another good news.
What's it about?
You see, I'm from the royal family.
Yeah, you told me before.
Yeah, and I'm matured enough to settle.
Okay.
Yeah, so my dad was discussing one or two things about me to my mom, which is now I need to get married.
Oh, okay. Do you have someone already, or?
For now, I don't have anyone.
Are you sure?
Yeah, for now I don't have anyone. But I think I have someone.
You think you do have someone?
Yes.
Who is that person?
The person is you.
Me?
Yeah.
How sure are you?
Oh, come on. The whole thing is, I will be crowned a family chief.
Okay.
Yes. And before that, the elders around will make sure you are married. So my old boy was like, KUMASI ABRANTE3, you need to get married, you need to come home with someone and all that. So I wanted to introduce you. What do you think? Because if I do that, it's a big privilege to you. Definitely my uncle will be like, oh, then if she's the one, then let me reduce the price of the land for you. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Yes. So I was thinking if I should introduce you to my family.
That's not a problem.
You said?
It's not a big deal. Actually, I've been crushing on you from the first day.
KUMASI ABRANTE3. My name is KUMASI ABRANTE3 and I'm the CEO of KUMASI ABRANTE3 Motors. I want to give you Jeep Wrangler for accepting me. Jeep Wrangler.
Okay.
Jeep Wrangler.
Can you add probably a Benzo, like 360, 350, you know, kind of C-Class?
C-Class.
Yeah.
So I should stop the Wrangler, or I should add the Wrangler to the. So you want two cars? You want the 2 cars instant? I don't think I have C-Class at garage. Even the Wrangler, I think. Okay. I think my brother has E350. Let me find out.
Okay.
James Motors. Boss you. Alright, you got E360 2017 model.
2020.
2020.
Yeah, in 2023. 2016 is, you know, far back. Something closer.
You have 2023.
Great.
You have facelift. Oh, that's great. That's great. That's great. You are lucky there.
Oh.
So now one more thing is, before my uncle that's looking forward accepts you, he's going to test your blood.
How?
Yes. So that they will see that you are my fiancé.
How is that possible?
There is a connection between us. So what I want to tell you is, since you want to acquire the land,
Okay.
Yes. I want us to have an affair so that when they test your blood, they will see that we have had something before.
Oh, okay.
Do you understand?
All right.
Do you understand?
Probably like we should have some affair, like, you know, we're talking about sex and stuff.
That is it.
That's not a big deal.
Anyway, you know, we almost say Samira, virgin Mary.
And Femi Bra, from Shaizi, and an ancient Boisiacum.
Okay, Shaizi.
But I say, she, a down was so. Young common pissing me with the saint in the say. A poor banner man up and a good deal. Meaning, a poor bar sabby, or better to me, ma. And what that I feel. To Mr. Wa, boom, one and one out to say, and I may hear near me be near ma. But me person me I feel no net of from namus ya ma adwene kan de mi hu na yampa me bese me bua ofo ana me bua ten.
Oh, so uni me din dada ana uni me
sami what do you mean me kan uni pedua nim.
Oh, me de me ba se me be ye adwuma nti me nu ade ko
ase ne ma burum.
Okay, me ba se me be ye adwuma
Be
ade adwuma be na nipa no ka se won me
from we be free bana town we mu na be adwuma ufi ko kese me ha na be adwuma adwuma be
gig na me nyaaye na me de aba ha si ade na nipa na oba ofie no onim adwuma kro ya na
ase o ba ye no me sa se slave queen bi da bi o me pa komate bi o me Samira slave queen eno de me pe o yo ba me ni ji ho me hu wa na me ni ja a she wo so na me feel e wo makoma mu se no oba no ni obeboa me da achi na emum to ni ma bigu na ye ntena mu se ndo ya anya hwe
ade ntia
de me hu ye ntia sentini se aso yi siri gwin dodo
samo
kana ko wi hook up on
enye se me ye hook up se se ade unse ase ejuma na meye me so ye mejuma meye nti enye se like hook up na meye ejuma me so meye
wo tutu
enye se me bo tutu ejuma menya meye na meye kakra ka me nye ska se wi ase we de opeska enye ejuma na wo ye
pese me no tene jai ati
me nje ejuma no
me hwew
na wo se na obetimi de amame ejuma no me de a oni me ska menya
amenka sem kiro bema achase yen fen kasem sabe bema obetimi akọ abre wansidi na de atonsuo no wabu akorokoro sensu asi wadwaye asiw niema ahuru
ya kaka no kwa ni ska o de bema na enya me hwe me matale ko enti minto
asa me fiwa no
mo jaide wo ye no na no wo hu me no otimi de na otimi ye de na otimi ye wo da hosa wo anye hwe
asa me wo
abonti na wo be ye bibi wo hasi
amenka sem kiro mini para me sene se me pe ba no me po ba ni ate na we de ya boro me so me srewo me akase me pe hook up ene sa de obi amfa na kwantina na ye ma anyo hwenti we de me nya hwenti wa fa akwan akọ
me kwa ye me won because obi a wo wa me gig se me be ye adwuma ba ya wo da ho se me ni wa nya adwuma kwa ye se o twa me ka
menka sem kiro unso kasa me ni wa nya hwe wo da chi hu ne hia me umpagya wani munyam sabi udi obani a wabra bu pagya wabra bo ye promprom etimi ene umeda na me mpamu se kọ na nkodi me ho yaw moa akohye gyaye kọ pa ato asigu mi so se mate wakoma da bi
bra nso ye ni papa nse se open ma asem keke me ba ye wona me anya hwe so ma media no ma bibia nti odi medwen ho ahwe se meja ya
de me de pe wa asem pa se silekun ete se opa na me ma wakaton eni ku aputunzo di ya na aba wi de
me de bibia ndi
bibia eni se betimi atena wa anya wuka pon de me pam so mo so abedo me
me de me no te so ye so o fe me fan
ka ji tuna me no nkwada sisi
Kumasi Abrante3 Ina mi bano Mentu matambe dia gumi dini mi
Sorry, some more original hash. Let's say.
ngaro bakora
Chairman, I'm here to me where you from.
abra mini wadi nkomache okay but seriously I think I'm going to like you yeah we are sitting in there pese yeah we here nya game panyin fie so okay I wanted to settle down.
Into our expectation, would they power you and saying, dear, no woman, are you talking about my physical body or
no.
Come my dean and then
I mean, me who saw your baby, I want you more so I say because in who challenge tough time on the mom, you know. He said no, like a baby, see, you know. When they were not to tell ma like seriously, mama dream baby. I just say because one shower home first, so niggas have often want to know the truth. And I dear mom, dear power, some say, what's a niggas number or no starting 1 2, and I mean, I rent us so. My phone and nearby
independent
and no mama respect so when you're about yeah Juma crowds when you Juma okay Bibinia or the crab mean like me you be a me opportunist no me poor basic what I say but oba me share nim dia won my investing in you so what I say say na be ya that me say bia me ho kire me crampo na also beti me support me. Yet those kind of boys now or per se or no but about investing here. Snake bay our hot children, no boy so okay, Ben may on one a boy maintenance.
See, Uncas, and why you're ready for relationship like open some family to also. Now we take your responsibilities, right?
Exactly.
Okay. And you're quite down.
But say for any time soon for the rest of
me commit to me home also baby be me.
Your wish will always be my command. Here say you always love, respect, and cherish.
Love is practical. Means me kasa me do see. It's just a matter of time. As time goes on, ye kasa ye nante ye sri bibia. It comes naturally. We don't force love. You know what I'm saying? Tinya botewo that side.
Woo! Seriously.
Inti, anything na be share.
Anything I'm not person me home me do.
Say the emergency. The young couple baby need.
Yeah, sure. Young corner baby. Look at her. But maybe we pick taxi money must continue. Off my bar.
What did the encourage binding it here?
Saturday na koso asem ma issue sa. Me nya boten kwada si da ben. Ade na ye ni diu na angorosi pa to pa angorosi frim na okoba bi fufuro. Ye ntina fa ko nche.
Ntu ka sisi na be sifio na mentamba ya. Nya botsire. Because the last time it is so neat that Nika said that Nico is to be a bentina, but
is to be about money pressure, money pressure. Man interest say never be kosu, never be kosu sumase, never be kosu sumase, Yaneman tentem, Yantina points we won't check. Sadam Passa Material, Kumasi Abrante3, me him BBI, patupa, and tentem na me kuba before, no my jam get 2 accounts, no kuba before. I say, well, what could board, I don't know.
Me boo or donya, but says, can it in a move?
Dama, I sound put them on the real baby.
Often baby, ya, often remuda, or no, yes, but I'm as a flower, I was a woman, some often remuda. Oh, I was so winner, but your say pata, yeah, oh, now, but says Canada, I make one who you are me. So what I say, come at them about that. Now, but say, meaning say be a successful, but also now, but say, oh.
As a delay because more new movement be as a picky. More new movement be as a picky and tentem cry. And I see it means we finish winning tentem. Kumasi Abrante3 maintain points on jet. And your partner me come baby. Actually, so 1 week, 2 weeks. Me no we.
Na me just say nya but cause so fair me crampa no suspect. And when am na kasa sa ni ade no. Sika ne ba ya metam afiri wo nya botere. Ono na ho ode so betimi de atechire me. E ba ya no asa me fa de yahia so on. Ba se se no kwa se me koye bibi ma no onu su hu se me de agenda bi na ba afie so what I say.
Ti wa ska bi ato account man.
Just 2,000. No so me fa to me ku ne ne ma bi.
2,000 pe.
Send
100,000 mama. Send 1,000.
Nya botana kase ne mmerai.
Send 1,000 mama we nya gade bia.
Ni me bi won so
send mama na me dem.
O so nya bote kase mu ye
we dey me chawo. Me komona na me ne udi no. I think say ebe se me no mienu be hia na etumi a kire adwen. Ye na ya kire adwen kakra. It's about way na majuma na make no say me online but sisi an me pese me je shop.
Okay.
Nti no ase woni ni mama for near there, you can help.
Oh, I know they like shop crowd only problem. And so open and your man, be a mantare, memantare, be a paboa, be a concerning a man and member there. Trust me, Louis, you told me I'm a debagana.
Oh, okay.
Besides, me, I'm a deba. Gucci, me, I'm a crown, money, men, na deba. Say your watch in Tarian, paboa, belt, be a man, I'm deba. Intimate me. I'm our connection, making us supply.
I know you could be of help. It's not me. I'm it's not Cedric who say like only the best person I'll be
sure.
It's me de nyame ase say the one chima no am for.
Oh, no problem.
So say why you ready say obeboa me.
Sure, ma'am, I will do that. Okay. So what I want you to do is get a capital, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Get a capital like let's say 80,000, 90,000. Do you get it? Now, men so men for half and so. Do you get it? Yeah.
80,000. It's 800 million, right?
Yeah,
oh,
sure.
okay.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. The reason why I made person may add the happen. Also, they are now in the previous media online, right?
Yeah, sure.
So I know they are emphatic to 20,000 new crab eating. But we know, opposite or establish your home shop markers.
Yes.
Do you get it?
Yeah.
Good. In terms, they send a man film. Said we will be both so no. When you are bring our business, we bring a big
thank you so
much. Oh, come on.
It's fine.
It's fine. So, when the money is ready, just let me know. Why?
Okay.
But obey me a list in your man so opposite or the starting. Yeah, now my order no. So scan here ready now then na ABB.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay,
You're welcome.
It's in order me call my friend.
All right, let me hear from you.
Bye.
Bye.
KUMASI ABRANTE3 Nina mi bano Mentum batambe dia gumi dini mi unazo